Wazye, Buju. You are now listening to Kakana Arwiak, Everyone Together on TikTok Radio, hosted by Tikanagan Child and Family Services. We appreciate you tuning in to our weekly program every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. on Wawate Radio. Tikanagan is a community-based child and family well-being agency rooted in and accountable to the First Nation communities we serve. We are here because we want to protect our children, help our families, and nurture our communities. On today's program, we welcome Tikanagan Executive Director Thelma Morris.
Wajia Bojo. Thelma Morris in the casa, huma Tikanagan washugan and skewen, mi mais nigans kaman. Go to Tikanagan, mi no the bitamageg, mi no xchihawia bitamageg, ugmakanak, gomina utantikinaganag. Kinanakumukuna umagab natstameg, mawat nistame pagit nikate, kakina awiak is nikate hue natstamun tibajamun. Qua tasapmukunagata pagit nikate hue tibajamun, nishigishgag, gominoa, newgishgag, skoptagishgag, nishaniseg. Kinatumakunawa tas natstamek, tibisndameg huma Wawate natstamonik pagit nikate kam hue tibajamun. Qua am hue ke anmutskatek ke anmutamuats ko no kutantki ke komine hag gawa witstoats ka obekhausna no kukanen mausok oka ke kone ko ke anmutana aninish kendamuatsenik hueno ke no ga sho witstoats komino aninendamuats miwe ke pagit nikatek ashitskaye komino ta pagit nikate anisna kokam hue tiknagan utantikiwen komina is tikewacham hima tasikeonek komino kapagit komina ta pagit nikate antikiwen ka tausek maskots ke winana katstots wientkits komsteke kon wineko tenenda menwetisnikan we tota mag pagit na mag te pachamon so mitasis na ten mukwe kam hue nishgishgag mina niyogishgag skoptagishgag nishanisek huma wawate natstamon tsnatameg tsnotameg hua te pachamon.
Good afternoon. My name is Thelma Morris, Executive Director at Tikanagan Child and Family Services. On behalf of Tikanagan Child and Family Services, our board, our elders, our chiefs, and our staff, we welcome you to the inaugural episode of Kakina Awiak, Everyone Together on TikTok Radio, our new weekly radio program. Every week on Tuesday and Thursday afternoons at 2 p.m., we invite everyone to listen on Wawate Radio for special content specifically related to our services and stories within our 30 First Nation communities. You'll hear from our staff and foster parents as they share their knowledge and experiences. We'll provide information on our services, community events, and job opportunities. We have lots of great ideas planned, so tune in every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. on Wawate Radio.
1980, kainagisich hake. Kainagitegake, as au giabat stone tiknagan, when natstamone. Qua 1986, kainagisich, ekipagit nikatek ban tasyak kapagit nikatek the bajamon. Mat knagan ut bajmon hawetas no kum kagiskop mats bill nothing win ni kanya bitamage ban huene ek pagit nag ban ut bajmon mit skaket ban kagiket huene nat tamon ke ut pagit nikate ut bajmon ut wichuma kak awiek Chikenda moajanis se ganishwe bakke kuminane dotskatek muma tikanagan. Kon smetanan yan shabweke mayause mikiabajis miabajstoak bahkan ke kone abajstoak utska kwe pakit na makam hiot bajmon che kenda moat wet yawia kaya wat tashikeonik mitsure ke abajtskatek biop ko kauts te bajmonanok ko kenda men hue wawate nattamon mishinoek awiak enotamoat enotagonik wet tashikeonik ko minoma hike o tenau tashikeon solakaut ko mina Thunder Bay ko mina mizoe aki kuma enota kokio te bajamon ma biop ko ke shaboesik Mishin gweste bweta mageni noit nawajin ko mnoshik awia chandawab magan open tipnawe awia jishat ma tashikeonik chandaw pagit na kyo no te bajamon ekomina chawi taganesenik ko no kumhue ko na pechmansek yuajikito jagatek ayanmak no kumhue kagishgak Tikanagan has been using the radio as early as the mid-1980s. In his 1986 annual report, the late board chair, Bill Nething, said the use of radio shows helped make people aware of Tikanagan and our activities. More than 35 years later, we're still using many innovative methods to reach our communities, such as social media. We also know Wawate Radio can be heard in all our communities, urban centers like Sulakaut and Thunder Bay, and even across the world online. We still believe the best way to connect with our communities is in person. It's just a little harder these days. Today, we at Tikanagan just want to spend a few minutes updating you on our COVID-19 protocols. As you may know, our offices were closed since mid-March, but starting this month, we reopened our offices as staff make a gradual return to the workplace. As social distancing measures continue, Tikanagan is still providing services. However, we are adjusting service delivery to avoid in-person contacts. Tikanagan continues to work in collaboration with each First Nation we serve in regards to pandemic plans and Tikanagan's service delivery, including arrangements for regular and emergency contact with First Nation leadership. Our staff are following any pandemic measures implemented by individual First Nations. For more information and updates on our COVID-19 response, we encourage you to visit tikanagan.org/COVID-19. Protecting children and supporting families at a time like this takes a community effort, locally, provincially, nationally, and even globally. I want to thank our staff, our foster parents, and communities for working in the true spirit of Mamo Ubikawaswan, everyone working together to raise our children. By coming together in spirit and not in person, we are making a difference. Kung kagishkak pagi pagit nagtknagan tebajamon huma akusuan anin iskanovaskatek COVID-19 kaishinkatek kikinodanawa panegi kabaks kapanin kono nantikyukamkon umapkunanda March kainagizit panegi kapaikatek panin kwanukum hue kamataksit hoe bisem September mi janbakan katek and minokwanwan antikyukamkon tknagan yantikyukamkon kwa nawats bishkats janamatan tikiwats kono kutantikik kwa miejna kokwe wawasab ko nawats yapwats kono kutantikik mitsyo ke kanobats katek mstahian tikiwan hiwe yak hiwe kawasa winuko jabape shop metods kono kutantikik shakujin ko kyabajset tknagan pembagit na kyone kainagan ojinantikich me po kabaje pembagit na kyonantikyunne kwa pagiwin ko maigna kwan ho ekawin ko kanatwenskate ke wasa jabape shop magano chawiya me isna ko kyantikyuan Kwa kaya tiknagan mi po kaya pa jisip me kanop mat kuanuan unikani tamaken hima tasikeonik mi mapin maina pits minikoke kung kay kitotak antikiwan hima tasikeonik aisat se ko kay mapo ka kapeso at tankik. Kwa papakanis na kon hiwa ani ni si kanopa tamuat tasikeonan papakan kay no sa kanopa tanaw mit secure min se katek. Ko ino ko kay kung kakchisek kay kung ino ko kakchmatsek ne watsa ko kanuna kano ka kweno ko ni kanitama ke pinama yamhya kano ats men ko ke kung ke ki itotskate kimata shikeonek mitsa ko kweno ke ni no chat men samak anin so nastsike watsa kweno ka tasikeonan anin so nastoats ke no anin sip me kano patamats wana akusun me kwats kayak. Ko kispen kaya patski kinoa na natokenda me kanines kanobatak tiknagan when COVID-19 anines peme kanobatamuat when akusone jinabia kima biopko kau jinab nanok tiknagan.org/COVID-19 mima inapik ke konwi natokenda me kawasme. Ko win kume kwatso kispen awasis win ko isenek chika nanaka chaka no chikets na no ke kanada jismat sets awas se komina kweno ka unik hikumak depends ke unan kispen ke konis mamat sewats ya mantesi apenum men ke genina wit uma kaisent kyak ukweno ke kotashi ke unan Joshua wits thought asop maganots ko no kawasta ka kumina o no ka upikhawa sot me got ka kanan mawat wasan miswe bukima geni no it do asanum men wits ko no asop maya to ko no kawasta ka kumina ni kumak ko me got so kaisek mi kwetsen denag ha kweno utantkik kweno ka kayantkana wats wasan mino uniki kuman ko mino kweno kakanen mausats ka wits thoughts chopikima non wasan mi kwetsintana ko mina kweno ka tashikeonan ani no ko kaiskeot mi kwetsketen ketikonawa ka wits toy when ka kaucha asop maganoa chawashak mama upikawaswana kuishin kate ho tikanagan kaucha kanobata kaningis kanobata chwawi chats awashan mina uniki kumane komina kotashikeonan mi kwetstasnt ketamen even me kwatse kaise ke kawin ko tassa ima debenoe chikendo ya chawia sa ko chkwisse chmamitnen maganot chwawi chaganot anin gisna ko awia ke chwawi chaganot mi kwets kapagitn sha kuma chitbachum tagoek ekwa kika kwetsi mkunawa kinatum kunawa chana nakachtoe kuma Facebook kaisin katek ma biop ko kakauji ainap nano ke komina Instagram kaisin katek mi mat knagan ke bagit nak utbachumune komina ke kono kani shosh kmatsek mi no ke kwenuan anapi ke washksegen wawate nat tamon kawi utbachum nanok mitseketian we genin kakene paksenum ya no ya dreaminu ya cha kumine konon awasha ke kochip mekanen maganoach ko yakchisewat chiwichka puitmatiak chika ko minupe kya ka awasha me geninish paksenum ya mi kwech. Thank you for welcoming us into your home. We invite you to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for Tikanagan news and updates, including program schedules on our radio programs. Stay safe and keep looking after our young ones, and let's continue in our effort of working together to raise our children. Kichmigwech.